to start. Question 1. The inverse operation of 4 is... Okay, so you will be looking at this a lot in algebraic equations, algebraic expressions. So the opposite operation of plus 4 has to be minus 4. That is this one. Question 1.2, part of a line with a definite starting point and a definite end point. So it is not just a straight line. It is not a ray. It is not a parallel line. It is just a line segment. That is where you have to know those definitions of lines. Question 1.3. If x is 3, then x squared plus 5 is equal to... This is a substitution question. So if you do struggle with that, that's what you need to be looking at again. Substitution. Okay, so we are going to do the substitution. Although it's multiple choice, let's do the working out because that's how we solve this one. So we have x squared plus 5. But then they tell us x is 3. So wherever there's x, we are going to put 3. That means we're going to have 3 squared plus 5. So 3 squared means 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 9 plus 5, which is 14. So this one's answer is C. Question 1.4. When 6 is added to 4 times a number, the result is 50. What is the number? Okay, so they are looking to see if you can form an algebraic equation and solve it. So if we look at this one, so 6 is added to 4 times a number. So let's say this number is going to be x. So 4 times the number means 4x. And we are adding 6 to it. The result is 50. Now we need to solve for x. How we solve for x is we are going to take everything across. We want it in this form where we have x on one side and it's equal to some number. So if we take this 6 across, it was plus 6. We do the inverse operation, so the opposite. So we are going to minus 6 on the other side. So it is going to be 4x is equal to 50 minus 6. So 4x then is equal to 50 minus 6 is 44. Then we want to get rid of this 4 in front. So I was timesing by 4. When I take it across now, I'm going to divide it by 4. We always do the opposite when we take it across. So I'm going to get x is equal to 44 divided by 4. And 44 divided by 4 is 11. So that means x is 11. So that missing number that they talk about in this question, the number is 11. So our answer there is A. Okay, and then question 1.5. A line segment extended from the center of a circle. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. A line segment extended from the center of the circle to any points on the circumference. So it could be like that, could be like that, like that. Is called, so this has to be a radius because it goes from any point at the center to any point. It is the radius. This one is D.